Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, in this video, I'll tell you how to add another country time on the home screen. See here, usually this is on the home screen, right? The time displaying on my mobile home screen is my local time or my country time. If you want to keep another country time on the home screen, you can easily keep that without installing any app. Just press and hold on your home screen for few seconds. Yeah, like this. Until this pop-up appears, you need to click on this widgets option. So this is the basic clock widget which will be available or pre-installed in all of the mobiles. First of all, this is the Moto mobile. Click on this drop down, okay, and search for a, yeah, this last one, right? This is a world clock one, means you can choose different countries. So I'll be choosing this one, okay. Drag and drop, okay. Check the clock style. It is saying maybe I can go for transparent one. Yeah, now I'll be clicking on this edit here and choose cities in the clock app. So no locations, right? Yeah, see here, now there is a plus symbol here, right, at the bottom right. You need to tap on here and search for a city. Say for example, I'm just searching for Kuwait now. So I'll be clicking on this Kuwait. That's it, done. See, Kuwait city here, 5:51 p.m. Sunday, and this is 8:21 here in my place. So this is how you can add another country. So at any point of time, you can just press and hold for few seconds, click on this pencil or edit symbol, and you can just change it here by adding another city, like maybe this time Dubai. Okay, two countries also we can actually keep. So if you like this video, please do hit a like. And now I just removed the Kuwait city time. Likewise, whichever you want, you can just keep it on your home screen. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.